After update, the build number has been changed, ending with F, then the previous letter M. Also, modem firmware has been updated for better cellular connectivity. The SharePlay feature has been enabled on FaceTime to access screen control of another device. Also, the screen mirroring feature has been enabled on the Mac. I haven't installed the beta update on Mac since it's my only editing device, but I have seen some users where the feature has been working fine. Also, if you tap and hold on the home screen to turn on jiggle mode, the customize icon has been changed from the previous beta, and now you can use the sun logo to dim the background in all the icon mode down below. Before, it was only available for dark and tinted mode. Also, I have encountered a lot of bugs related to the home screen icons, which hasn't been fixed in this Beta 2 update. And it has made it worse in terms of the app icons in my iPhone 15 Plus. Only update regarding the app icon is the App Store logo, which has received a dark mode theme. Also, the icons in the Settings Apps menu have been replaced with dark mode icons in this update, which gives it a clean look. There is a small change in the control center for the Shazam music recognition control. If we tap and hold, the options has been compressed. Also, the power icon on top right gets a much-needed update to avoid accidental taps, which triggers iPhone to shut down. Previously, you could just tap on the icon to switch off, but now you have to tap and hold to power off your iPhone, which is a welcome feature. Also, the screen time menu would make my iPhone crash sometimes, which has been fixed in this beta update. And the Open Any App shortcut on the lock screen shortcut has also been fixed. Previously, I could only select the icon, and the shortcuts menu would disappear on its own every time. But now the shortcut works completely fine. Also, battery life on the previous iOS 18 Beta 1 update was pretty bad in my case. Home and lock screen menu was the only app that would drain the battery for no reason, even though I did not use the home screen for such long hour usage. I also did the CPU benchmark on the Geekbench application, and it scored less than the stable iOS 17 version by a greater margin, which I think is fair since it's in the developer beta version. And if you are confused about whether you should update to the iOS 18 version, here is a detailed side-by-side comparison of iOS 17 versus 18 on the iPhone 15 devices. See you over there. Subscribe to Techloper for more such iPhone tech perks that works.